The E08 error code on a Hoover washing machine typically indicates a problem with the washer's motor, with a faulty motor being the most common cause. To fix this issue, the first step is to replace the motor. Begin by powering off the washer and unplugging the power cable from the electrical outlet. Next, turn off the water supply and remove the washer's back panel using a screwdriver. Then, gently disconnect the motor's plug and earth wire. Remove the belt connecting the pulley wheel to the motor's spindle and uninstall the motor using a bolt driver. Install the new motor and secure it in place. Refit the motor's belt, connect the motor's plug and earth wire to their respective slots, and reassemble the back panel. Finally, reconnect the power cable and power on the washer. If the problem persists after attempting these steps, it may be necessary to consult a certified washer repair technician for further assistance.